Welcome to today's video, where we delve into the age-old pursuit of happiness and how it has been wrongly associated with external factors. Society has conditioned us to believe that our worth is measured by material possessions such as wealth, fame, success, and accolades. But is that really the case? In this video, we explore a radical alternative to this paradigm, the law of assumption. We invite you to join us on this journey of self-discovery and realization that the source of our happiness lies within our own consciousness, not in the material world. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the intricacies of this profound concept. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that allows us to take control of our lives and manifest our deepest desires. It is based on the idea that our assumptions or beliefs shape our reality, and that we can change our circumstances by changing our assumptions. By assuming that we already have what we want, we can attract it into our lives and experience the joy and fulfillment that we seek. To apply the law of assumption, we must first identify our limiting beliefs and replace them with positive ones. We must let go of the belief that external factors determine our happiness and instead focus on our inner state of being. We must assume that we are already happy and fulfilled, and that our desires are already being manifested. This shift in consciousness can be challenging, as we are conditioned to focus on external validation and achievement. But as we begin to let go of our attachment to these things, we open ourselves up to a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment that comes from within. The law of assumption is not a magic pill that will instantly transform our lives. It requires consistent effort and dedication to reprogram our thoughts and beliefs. But as we persist in our practice, we begin to see tangible results in our lives. We may attract new opportunities, relationships, and experiences that align with our desires. We may feel a greater sense of peace and joy in our daily lives, and a deeper connection to our true selves. We may even begin to see the world in a new light, recognizing the infinite potential that lies within each of us. Through conscious and deliberate focus, we shift our attention away from external factors that have long dictated our happiness and fulfillment. Instead, we turn inward towards the infinite wellspring of our consciousness, which holds the key to our true potential. Trust is the second principle of the law of assumption, which calls for a radical shift in our relationship with the universe. It requires us to relinquish our attachment to outcomes and trust in the innate wisdom and goodness of the universe to guide us towards our highest good. Receptivity is the third and most essential principle of the law of assumption, allowing us to receive the abundance, love, and fulfillment that the universe has in store for us. By cultivating a state of openness, we align ourselves with the divine flow of life and allow ourselves to be guided by the universal forces of creation. Together, these three principles of focus, trust, and receptivity form the cornerstone of the law of assumption, a transformative law that invites us to discover our true potential and live a life of purpose, passion, and joy. By shifting our attention away from the external and towards the infinite reservoir of our own consciousness, we unlock the door to a new way of being, one that is free from the constraints of the past and open to the infinite possibilities of the present. To cultivate trust, we must let go of doubt and fear, and surrender to the process of manifestation. We must have faith in our own abilities and in the universe to conspire in our favor. This requires a willingness to take risks, to let go of the past, and to embrace the unknown. Receptivity is the final pillar of the law of assumption. It involves being open and receptive to the signs and signals that the universe sends us. We must be willing to listen to our intuition, to follow our heart, and to be guided by our inner wisdom. This requires a state of surrender and humility, a willingness to let go of our preconceived notions and to be open to new possibilities. It also involves being present and attentive to the world around us and to the subtle cues and synchronicities that are constantly unfolding. Together, these three principles form a powerful framework for personal transformation and spiritual growth. By focusing our thoughts, trusting in the universe, and remaining receptive to its guidance, we tap into a deep reservoir of creative power and potential. We become co-creators of our own destiny and are able to manifest our deepest desires and aspirations. We discover a sense of purpose and meaning that transcends the material world and connect with a higher order of consciousness that infuses every aspect of our lives. The law of assumption offers a transformative approach to living a life of abundance and fulfillment. This mystical law is based on three fundamental principles: focus, trust, and receptivity. By mastering these pillars, we can align ourselves with the frequency of our dreams and manifest them into our reality. The first principle of the law of assumption is focus. Our thoughts are a powerful force that can be harnessed to direct the energy of our desires toward their manifestation. By concentrating our mental faculties on a specific outcome, we create a powerful resonance that aligns us with the frequency of our dreams. To develop this skill, we must practice mindfulness and cultivate the discipline of concentration. By learning to quiet the incessant chatter of our minds and attune ourselves to the present moment, we become adept at directing the flow of our thoughts. The second principle of the law of assumption is trust. Trust is the cornerstone of this mystical law, and it requires an unwavering faith in the power of our thoughts and the benevolence of the universe. By trusting that our desires are on their way to us, we develop a deep conviction in the infallible nature of this law. This faith can be cultivated through the practice of meditation, affirmation, and visualization. By immersing ourselves in the feeling of our desires fulfilled, we strengthen our faith in the law of assumption, fortifying our resolve in the face of doubt and uncertainty. The third principle of the law of assumption is receptivity. Receptivity is the practice of opening ourselves to the flow of abundance and embracing the gifts of life with gratitude and grace. To be receptive is to acknowledge our worthiness to accept the blessings of the universe without hesitation or reservation. By cultivating this quality, we can align ourselves with the infinite reservoir of our own consciousness and tap into its limitless potential. The law of assumption offers a powerful alternative to the conventional wisdom that our worth is contingent upon external factors such as wealth, fame, success, and accolades. By shifting our focus from the external to the internal, we initiate a profound metamorphosis that opens the door to a life of abundance, fulfillment, and magic. By mastering the pillars of focus, trust, and receptivity, we can unlock the transformative power of this mystical law and manifest our deepest aspirations into our reality. To cultivate the mindset of the law of assumption, it is essential to overcome the barriers that hold us back from receiving abundance in our lives. Self-doubt, guilt, and unworthiness can create an internal environment that is resistant to the flow of abundance. However, through the practice of self-compassion and self-love, we can dismantle these obstacles and create a receptive space within ourselves. The law of assumption is not just an abstract concept or philosophy, but a living force that permeates every aspect of our lives. When we embrace this mystical law and integrate its teachings into our daily lives, we embark on a journey of profound transformation. We shed the layers of our limited self-concept and emerge as the architects of our own destiny. Recognizing the power of our thoughts and focusing our energy on our desires is a crucial step in manifesting abundance in our lives. Trusting in the unfolding of events and embracing the art of receiving allows us to become alchemists of our own lives, transmuting the mundane into the extraordinary and weaving a tapestry of magic abundance and fulfillment. As we awaken to our limitless potential, we experience a profound shift in our perception of reality. We unveil the hidden dimensions of existence that lie beyond the veil of illusion, and we stand at the precipice of a new era. As torchbearers of this ancient wisdom, we become the harbingers of a new age, a time when the power of thought and the magic of the law of assumption are revered and celebrated. In conclusion, the law of assumption is a beacon of hope and inspiration, a mystical elixir that promises to unlock the secrets of the universe and reveal the true nature of reality. It is a gift from the cosmos, a reminder of our divine nature, and an invitation to step into the magical realm of possibility. By embracing the power of our thoughts and allowing ourselves to receive what we are ready for, we can transform our lives into a living testament to the infinite potential that resides within each and every one of us. Thank you for watching and exploring the transformative power of the law of assumption. Remember, by shifting our focus from the external to the internal, we can cultivate a mindset that is receptive to the endless bounty of the universe. By recognizing the power of our thoughts, focusing our energy on our desires, trusting in the unfolding of events, and embracing the art of receiving, we can become the alchemists of our own lives. Let us become the architects of our own destiny and step into the magical realm of possibility, where our dreams are not just figments of our imagination, but the very fabric of our existence. Thank you for joining me on this journey of profound transformation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content.